How to prepare a Cafe Americano using a double espresso in LIGRE Easy Mode. Remove the portafilter by gently turning it to the left. Place it into the grinder's holder and let go. Grinding starts on its own. Meanwhile, you can place your cup or an elegant glass under the hot water outlet. Press the left butterfly to start the hot water delivery. Select the preset water volume of 80 milliliters. The water flows automatically and stops on its own once the volume is reached. In the meantime, the grinder has finished grinding. Remove the portafilter and level the surface of the ground coffee using the leveler. Then tamp it straight, evenly, and with firm, consistent pressure. You can brush away any remaining coffee grounds with a barista brush. Now insert the portafilter into the brew group by turning it from a slight left angle towards the center until it locks into place. To start the brewing process, press the center butterfly. Make sure that double espresso is selected on the display. After 3 seconds, the brewing process starts automatically. A defined amount of water now flows through the puck. After around 25 to 35 seconds, the extraction stops automatically. Your Americano is now ready to enjoy.